In Gadag district's Rona taluk, residents of Jakkali village are facing severe difficulties in receiving ration due to continuous biometric thumb impression system failures, with server issues remaining unresolved for over a week at the Agricultural Service Cooperative Society. As a result, beneficiaries are unable to complete verification and collect their ration, leading to widespread inconvenience and anger. Despite standing in queues throughout the day, villages have been returning without receiving ration supplies. The situation has particularly affected farmers, women, and elderly citizens who are spending long hours waiting at the cooperative society premises. Angry villagers gathered at the Agricultural Service Cooperative Society and staged a protest, raising slogans against the government and administration. They demanded the immediate resolution of the server problem and expressed frustration over the lack of action by the concerned department. Locals alleged that authorities have failed to ensure the delivery of basic public services. Farmers said they are being forced to leave agricultural work during the monsoon season to stand in long queues for ration distribution, affecting their livelihoods. With agricultural work for the season already underway, villagers said they are unable to complete either farming work or receive ration on time, causing severe hardship. The residents have demanded the immediate restoration of the biometric system and uninterrupted ration distribution. So viewers, do you think basic public services like ration distribution need better monitoring? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.